less than 7.3 number sense. And again, we'll start out with multiplication because this is the same stuff we learned before. So we have 3.4 times 2.2, and we have to decide where the decimal point should go in my answer of 748. So I think about it, if my decimal point goes here, that's saying my answer is 748. And I have to think to myself, well, since 3 times 2 is 6, my product will need to be close to 6. So where should my decimal point go? Right. Should go right there. Well, the same is true for division. If I have 33.1392 divided by 6.4, I look at that and I say, well, my answer can't be 5,000. So I think, well, 33 is close to 30. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. So my answer must be close to 5. So the decimal point needs to go right there. And then obviously I could check my work as well. But I know that it has to be there. If it wouldn't be just 0.5. It wouldn't be 51, because if I have 33 and I divide by 6, it's going to get smaller, right? Well, here's more of a practical application question. So if I have just a bunch of quarters, and I add it up, and it's $18.75, how many quarters do I have? Well, I could set up a problem of 18.75, $18.75, divided by 0.25. Remember, the divisor cannot have a decimal, so we have to move it over. The way we move it over is by multiplying by 100. So it goes from here to here, and we have 25. And if we do it to this one, we have to do it over here too. So it goes over 1, goes over 2. So now I just do my division. Can 25 go into 1? No. Can 25 go into 18? No. Can 25 go into 187? Sure, it goes in 7 times. So then I do 7 times 25 is 175. I subtract to get 12. I bring down my 5. 25 goes into 125 5 times. And so then I subtract and get 0. So I find out my answer is 75. But is it 75, or is it 7.5, or is it 0.75? I have to figure out now, where would it go? Well, if I think about it, if I have, let's close 18.75 or $18.75 is close to $20, right? And if I have, there are 4 quarters in $1, so 4 times 20 is going to be 80. So I know my answer should be close to 80, right? Well, 75, excuse me, 75 is pretty close to 80. So I know that my decimal point would need to go here at the end. And the last thing I want to say is, make sure you are doing your practice or enrichment pages before you do the quick check. Make sure when you do the quick check, you are telling me that you are good to go and you feel completely ready with this topic. If you have any questions, please make sure you ask. See you tomorrow.